Hey there, welcome to Ben's Plant-Based Kitchen, where I show you the easy, affordable foods I cook, and you should try them too, because it's good for you, your kids, their kids, and the earth. Today we're making BBQ jackfruit sandwiches. These cost just $1.91 per sandwich, taste great, and come together in just 20 minutes. Let's check out our ingredients. First, canned jackfruit. Mine is canned in brine. It's best if you can get it in plain water, but the brine stuff will do just fine. Next, barbecue sauce. Use whatever kind you like here. I'm going with Trader Joe's Carolina Gold sauce. You could go all out and make your own sauce here, but using a quality pre-made sauce saves a ton of time. Hamburger buns, and a pre-cut slaw package, avocado, salt, and white wine vinegar for a crunchy slaw to add texture to our sandwiches. Let's get started.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
First, open up your jackfruit. Next, strain the liquid out and rinse thoroughly. Place on a reusable kitchen towel and press to remove as much water as possible. Now we'll shred the jackfruit to imitate pulled pork. The jackfruit has a solid core that we'll remove to get to the more porky part. Chop off that core, then pull apart the rest into bite-sized chunks. Repeat with the remaining jackfruit. To the stovetop we go. Place a few tablespoons of oil into a pan on medium heat. Once warm, add the jackfruit and sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. Sautéing the jackfruit will evaporate the water left inside, drying it out and creating a more pork-like texture. Five minutes in now, add in a third cup of barbecue sauce and mix to combine. Then add a bit more sauce and a touch of water because we're figuring things out here. Just add as much sauce as you think looks good. Once simmering, cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's simmering, we'll prepare our slaw. Here I have a package of pre-cut slaw mix, avocado, white wine vinegar, and salt and pepper. Now, I forgot to film this part, so close your eyes. Now imagine me mixing together half that bag of slaw with half the avocado, a few tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. That looks really delicious, doesn't it? Okay, now open your eyes. And here's my barbecue jackfruit after simmering for 10 to 15 minutes. Now to plate. I have a bun here that I toasted up nicely. On with a bit of slaw. Then pile it up with the jackfruit. This is not the time to be shy with your portions. Add an extra drizzle of sauce, and top with the other half of the bun. Let's eat. All right, let's try a jackfruit barbecue sandwich. First off, this just looks beautiful. Barbecue sandwiches should be nicely stacked, tons of stuff going on in there. Don't go light on the sauce. It's a barbecue sandwich. This is awesome. I like that yellow mustard-based sauce that has a little bit of heat, good sweetness, good tang, but you use whatever kind of sauce you want to. You could always make your own homemade sauce, but the bottled stuff didn't cost too much and it saved a half hour or so of making barbecue sauce. The crunchy slaw, definitely necessary. It's nice just to have a little bit of freshness. The jackfruit's great. I really don't miss chicken or pork at all. The jackfruit's an awesome substitute. One thing I would alter would be to really dry that jackfruit out to get some better sort of chewy texture out of it. I might even put it in a low oven, maybe 250 for 10-15 minutes and just kind of check on it to see where it's at. Get as much water out of it as I could. Toasting the bun was a good call. Kept the bun from getting soggy, has some nice texture to it. All in all, these are fantastic. total crowd pleaser. You can multiply that recipe and make a big old pot of jackfruit barbecue, have people make their own sandwiches or whatever else they want to do. If I was to serve this as a meal, I might serve it with some sweet potato fries or something like that. If you check next week's episode, I'm gonna be making sweet potato fries.
Hint, hint.
Hint, hint. You should make these. If you like this video, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend about it, try them at home, jackfruit barbecue sandwiches. They're delicious. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.
I hope you'll try these at home. They're tasty, simple, great for a crowd, and cost just $1.91 each. Check the video description for an itemized cost breakdown and detailed ingredients list. Support me by subscribing to this channel, telling a friend about it, following me on Instagram, and consider becoming a patron for as little as $1 a month. Thanks.